Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use the Krea to turbo model text to image model from text here. You can generate it from ChatGPT. You can get this result right here. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go ahead, come to UI, run it from here, search for Krea. Okay, when I search for Krea, you get this model is not Krea. How to get Krea? We have to go here, run, come to UI, local, and go here to all templates, and choose this first one, Krea text to image. Okay, as you can see, this is the workflow of our Krea. You must download those models before we start working. Okay, let's download one by one. Click here. And the downloading is starting, as you can see. Okay, pause the video right now and download all those models, and we continue after downloading all those models. Okay, fine, all models are downloaded. Okay, let's add it one by one on those paths. Okay, for example, let's go here to ComfUI. Model is always model. Let's begin with diffusion model. Diffusion models. Wanna add this one. Krea to turbo FP8. Let's go here. Turbo FP8. This one. Okay, paste this one here. Second one, text encoder. A Queen 3 V1. Text encoder is Queen. This one. Return A VEE. Queen image VEE. Okay, Laura's. Where is Laura? The final one, dark brush. Okay, I think our model is done. Adding our model in our places. Now, next thing I want to do is to refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, all errors are disappeared. Now, you can add our text text here. After that, we have to create image right here. This is the resolution of skeleton. You can use any one you want. Okay, let's choose this one. Widescreen. Okay, for this texture prompt, you can add it from ChatGPT. For me, I want to use this default one. Okay, let's hit run. Let's start working right now. Okay, as you can see, this result works fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.